So I came across your company through the very beginning of my indoor growing experience in price comparison with other competitors like Grow Ace, AC Infinity. Yeah, so through your competitors, more or less, it was more of a price range and actually what you guys do offer in your bundles, like soil amendments and all different kinds of things in comparison to Grow Ace, which has a similar kind of deal, is just more expensive. Especially if you have the space to want to be able to grow more than one plant or two plants per tent, you have the option where it's cost effective in a way compared to other companies. And I only found that out through research, steady research, finding out what size fan I need, charcoal filters to 55-gallon reservoirs, et cetera, et cetera. And at the time, I was unable to purchase anything from your company due to financial responsibility and hospital costs and everything else. But to this day, it's still top of my list if I were to set up a tent with someone else or pass on my knowledge so they can get it all in one bundle as opposed to slowly accumulating